So here's how we can look at your GoodNotes from the iPad but on the iPhone, right? Let's talk about it. So if you are new on this channel on Foxtecc, make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Okay, so what you need to do is, of course, have the GoodNotes app installed on both devices. And the point is that, as you remember, you had to log in to the GoodNotes application with some sort of account to start using it, right? So you can check it out on your iPad in the top right corner by tapping on your account, and you can check out your account. And you'll be able to see the Gmail or mail or whatever method you used to sign in. And the point is that you have to sign in with the very same account on your iPhone as well, which will then sync everything over the cloud, over the internet, and you'll be able to browse the same notes saved within GoodNotes on your iPhone as well, right? So this is the most common method of doing that, right? Other than that, you could technically also just go to your specific notes within GoodNotes on iPad, tap on share, and then you'll be able to export this page, right? So you export your notes like that. Let's say you pick the PDF format or even the GoodNotes format, and you'll be able to share that with your iPhone, right? So technically you don't have to sign in with the same account, and you can also export specific notes to your phone too. So let me know if you managed to achieve what you needed for your devices. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.